Hi everyone, welcome to Python Programming Session 3. In this session, we will see the following topics. Okay, so operators and expressions and operators precedence and PEMDAS. Okay, so arithmetic operators, comparison operators and other operators we will see. So let us deep dive. Operators are special symbols and or keyword that help you to perform some actions or computations for one or more values known as operands, and these are the operators Python supports: arithmetic, relational, logical, assignment, identity, membership, bitwise, and walrus. So let's see each one of them. Arithmetic operators are like doing mathematical operations. As you can see easily, this is predominantly used by everyone. So for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, exponentiation, and floor division. So here we have all those details. So you can see that what each operation does, especially modulus and floor division. It will give you the different types of outcomes. So it's modular returns a remainder of it, while the other it returns the integer part of the division result. Comparison operator or relational operators, you have greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, not equal to. So let's see these in detail. Okay, so you get the operator return true or false based on the condition again, and based on that we will evaluate to the steps like decision making. So here again, like for example, for greater than 5, greater than 3, is it true or false? Likewise, 3 is less than 5, and then 5 greater than equal to 5, and 5 less than equal to 5, 5 equal to 5, 5 not equal to 3. So all these things you can evaluate. So logical operators and or not. Okay, so logical and, logical or, logical not. So in this we have, like, it is to be in and it has to be both true, in or it has to be either one of the things are true. Here it is whatever is true or false, it will inverse that outcome. That's the operator, not operator. So here is a simple example of the AND operator. You can see declaring the variable, evaluating the condition, and printing the result with print formatted F string. And OR operator, similarly, we have sample program declaring the variables, evaluating the results, and printing the results. This is the expression. And these are the conditions, like, for example, not how will you use in certain conditions. So it's raining is equal to true or false. You can use it probably in an if statement like this. Okay, let's go for a walk can be used in context of this is raining is not. Okay, so Python assignment operators is equal to the operator, and you can add other operators as a shorthand operators, which we saw earlier. So all these are shorthand operations for assignment operations. So you can add plus equal to 5 is equal to, which is means x equal to x plus 5. Likewise, you can see one by one these things. It's already available in the code base also. So identity operator, is it in the same memory location is what you need to assess. So in Python, the operator is an identity operator. You should determine if two variables refer to the exact same object in memory. It does not compare the values of the object, but rather their identity, their memory address. So here it is there. So you can actually see it is the same memory location or not. In and not in membership. So it's like you check the list is in or not in this list or not in this list. So this is a membership operator. So it will check a value is there in that particular data structure, like string, list, and tuples or sets, right? Like sequential types, and return true or false. And bitwise operator, this is like at the binary level. So if there is a bit on and you're doing any AND operation, it will actually do the operations like this. If it is both or one, that bit will be given as 1. So here you can see this is 1 and 1 is on, so it will give you 0, 1, 0, because others are 0 in this number, right? So that's how the bit operator works. Similarly, for this condition, for OR, it's very similar to the logical operation. Similarly, for the XOR, then bitwise NOT, and then bitwise uh, left shift and right shift. So Walters operator is like you assign and also evaluate the expression. Okay, so if you have like n colon equal to len of numbers, right? If both assigning, this colon equal to is the Walters operator. You can use both the things like assignment and the expression evaluating with an expression. So that's a Walters operator. You can do that for length of data. You can do the length in the comprehension. The operator for input handling, like checking the each number also. You can do that in the while loop. So precedence of operators is like, first it is 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 a parenthesis, then you have the attribute subscription of operator functions, exponentiation, then you have unity plus, all those things, star, multiplication, division, like that, and plus minus. So these are the sequence of precedence level, and using that you can understand how the evaluation is done. So associative is like when you have the similar operators at the same level, then you use left to right associativity or right to left associativity as per the associativity formed in that expression. It depends on the expression where when it's evaluating, it has to go through that associative rules and evaluate it. So associative is the same precedence. When it happens, it will use it. So PEMDAS is like the acronym for remembering how the expressions are done. So when you actually have a mathematical expression, especially, we will have the parentheses. So using the parentheses correctly will ensure that your expression is evaluated correctly. So these are things you need to remember in arithmetic operations, as well as overall in operators and expressions in Python. So that's all for session 3. Thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel and like the